In this demo, we're going to look at circular motion. We have this tennis ball on a string, and so as I rotate this around, I'll try to maintain the same speed. Let's do that. Approximately the same speed. So now I can ask the question of, is this ball accelerating? And initially you might think, well, it's traveling at the same speed, so then no, but it is accelerating. As you can see, the ball is going in a circle. Velocity is a vector, so when the ball's here, the velocity may be pointed to that direction, and as it goes around a circle, the velocity vector changes direction, and that is the definition of acceleration. So when the ball is going in a circle like this, it is accelerating. The velocity vector is changing direction as it goes around the circle. So as it's accelerating, there is a force pulling on the tennis ball, and that's produced by hand. I'm trying to produce a force that tugs on the ball, making it go around in a circle. So circular motion with this tennis ball involves acceleration, specifically centripetal acceleration. And so this is a demo of circular motion.